All right, finalize the sink base measurement.
36 inches on center.
Mark that for the plumber, and let's review the lighting grid next.
Make sure the wiring clears that last stud before you insulate.
I need you to cut me 2 more supports for this cabinet frame.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Make sure that cabinet door is perfectly aligned.
I'm checking the hinges now.
Electrical checks out on this section.
Okay, the appliances and furniture are all staged correctly.
Ready for installation.
Hold it right there. The laser needs to be dead center.
All right, I've got it. Securing the bolts now. All right, team, testing the pendants now. Stand clear.
Power engaged. Looks good.
Switching off.
The lighting adjustment really makes the marble pop. It looks absolutely perfect. We are done here.